The production base of Hunan AFen Vending Machine Co. Limited has a construction area of over 60,000 square meters and an annual production capacity of 100,000 units. It has independent R&D center, sheet metal production line, fully automatic environmental protection spraying line, assembly line, and various precision CNC testing equipment. With strong technical strength and strong manufacturing capabilities, the company is a technological pioneer and a new force in manufacturing in the self-service industry, as well as a high-quality equipment supplier and partner. An excellent vending machine is inseparable from the exquisite workmanship of sheet metal. AFen Powerful Sheet Metal Workshop has many large-scale machinery and equipment. Advanced technology and ingenious craftsmanship create a tightly stitched, durable vending machine. AFen adopts thickened galvanized sheet, through laser cutting, high-speed punching, automatic bending, and other processes with an accuracy of millimeters, to ensure the precise butt joint accuracy of each part of the vending machine. Every process of high-quality products is not simple. AFen, a complete set of automated vending machine production line equipment. The whole line is composed of U-shell production line, offline robot, linear foaming production line, final assembly line and other equipment. It is a fully automatic flexible production line. The customized sheet is input to the CNC punching machine to automatically punch the sheet, and then U-shaped by rolling to form the inner and outer U-shell boxes, and then assembled to form the foamed front cabinet, and finally passed through the foaming mold car. It is automatically transported to the corresponding foaming mold for injection molding and foaming into a foaming body. The foaming body flows into the assembly line to complete the whole process of refrigeration, installation, and debugging of functional structural components. The intelligent production line is composed of high-performance PLC integrating various sensors, HMI, pneumatic, hydraulic units and servo motors to automatically adjust various parameters of various types of products. AFen deeply integrates artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, cloud services, and big data to create world-class smart retail equipment, making life simpler and smarter.